Hi. So in previous video we saw the benefit of startup scripts and how we could able to save the time. In the same scenario, GCP provides an feature called instance template, and instead of specifying startup script in each and every time, we can create a template, and using that template we can spin up the machines couple of times, and that template can contain your startup scripts. So in this example, we are going to create a startup instance template, and then from that instance template we will spin up the machine. Click in create instance template, then give name. I'll just give us some name, server template 01, and we can keep it global or regional. We'll keep it global. We'll keep rest of the configuration same as it is. Then in here I'll allow the HTTP protocol, and just like our startup script, we'll specify here. So whenever any of the VM which will be created using this particular template, it will always have the Apache installed and this particular system configured. So I'm just going to create a template, and creating a template doesn't cost anything. But once we spin up the machine, the instances using this template, we will have to pay for the instances which are spinned up using these templates. So as of now, there's no instance running, and we have this instance template which is created using this. If I want to create a VM, I'll give a name, server 01, and instead of doing anything else, just I'll click on create, because I'm using a template, so by default it should enable the HTTP firewall, and it should have that startup script configured. Since this startup script has been configured, so I I suppose the HTTP Apache 2 will be already installed on this server. So Apache 2 is installed, and the script what we have written, the server name and the IP, internal IP, it will be displayed over here.